Hi, I'm Alex. I'm a Microsoft Data Platform MVP and I've been helping folks deliver database updates for about 10 years. Most people find database updates hard. That's because they've got a slow, manual, error-prone process for releasing database updates. Because of the overhead, they can't release in small batches, so small changes get batched up into big releases. And when those releases go wrong, it's a bad day in the office. So they get wrapped up in bureaucracy and gatekeeping, and none of this helps. In fact, it makes a problem worse. There's a better way. If we can automate our database deployments, the overhead for releasing comes down significantly, the reliability shoots straight up, and this allows us to release in much, much smaller, much simpler, and much safer iterations. That old myth that you can only pick two out of speed, quality, and cost is dead. But in order to do this, you need to understand how to use various different tools and technologies. In my Data Platform Summit 2020 session, I'm going to show you how to use GitHub, your choice of SSDT or Redgate, Octopus Deploy, and Amazon Web Services to spin up SQL Server instances at the click of the button and to deploy your updates at the click of a button. It's really, really, really cool stuff. All you need to do is set up a free account on GitHub, Octopus Cloud, and Amazon Web Services. All you're going to have to install on your local machine is the open source Git technology and one or two PowerShell modules. Aside from that, you are ready to go. You will be able to spin up this stuff. The only cost to you is going to be the cost of hosting the VMs, which is less than $1 a day. It's only it's a cent or two per hour. The best bit, afterwards you get to keep it. So you can spin it up and tear it down on demand as you see fit, so that you can use it as a blueprint as you roll this out across your organization. IT organizations that embrace these technologies have a significant advantage in the marketplace. They can deliver value more cheaply, more quickly, and more reliably. This is not a session just for DBAs or just for developers. This is a session for everybody, whether you're on the dev or the ops side of the spectrum. It's about helping people with different specialisms to work together. Book your place now. I look forward to seeing you.